Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss Code Forces round 687. The first problem is prison break. It says that there are n into m prison cells and there are n into m prisoners in a rectangular matrix. And there are m columns and n rows. And it says that in each box there is a prison and a prisoner. And there is a secret tunnel in the cell R, C anywhere in the prison, anywhere in the matrix. And it says that here suppose the tunnel is here, so all the prisoners have to move to the tunnel to escape from the prison. And for moving to each side it requires 1 second. Suppose a prisoner is here, he will require 2 seconds to reach here. And a prisoner can move in all the four directions. And it says that minimum number of seconds needed that so that every prisoner can arrive to cell R, C if they move optimally. So the logic will be that uh, whoever the prisoner who is farthest away from the tunnel will be the answer. The time required by the farthest person to reach to the tunnel. So if the R, it is if the tunnel is here, suppose it is a general R, C. So the four longest path will be the four corners. So we will check each possible case. So the coordinates will be 1, 1. So we will print the max of absolute R minus 1 plus absolute C minus 1, comma this one 1 comma M, absolute R minus 1 plus absolute C minus M, this one N comma 1, absolute R minus N plus absolute C minus 1, this one N comma M, absolute R minus N plus absolute C minus M. This the max of this four will be the answer. Now moving on to the next question. Repainting a street. It says that there is a street with n houses in a line numbered from 1 to n. The house I is initially painted in color CI. Okay. Tom the painter is in charge of making the street beautiful. Okay. So the question says that there are n houses in a line and you have to and they are colored randomly at any color, and the problem says that you have to color all the houses with the same color. And for doing that Tom is the painter and he at a time he can color he have the capacity to go to k, means at a particular time he can color he has the range of k houses. Okay, so uh, he needs the minimum number of days. Tom needs to make the street beautiful. Okay, so what we will do is mm, we will see the number of house means number of colors, and there are 100 colors possible. So we will check for each color, and n is 10 to the power 5. So we will start from color number 1 to color number 100. We will put this in a loop and after that we will check for each color. So if the colors are like this, 1 3 2 4 5 6 7, I suppose 1 1 1, and one here suppose, and so it says here k is given. So when we will start from 1 and we will go here, the first house is already painted with color 1, so we will move to this house, and k is suppose 2. So k is supposed to this, he will paint these two houses with color 1. Now he will go to this house and it is already painted with color 1, so we'll go to this house and he will cover this range. Then he will come to this house and he will cover this range. He will come to this house, he will cover this range, and this house is already painted with 1. So he will take 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second, and we have to check for each color likewise. So the general idea is that if we are checking suppose for a color C, and we will start from the left and we will check if it is colored with color C. If it is colored, we will move one step forward. If it is also colored with color C, then we will again move one step forward. And if it is not colored with color C, then he will need 1 second and he will cover the range of K. Then he will reach again here and he will again check if it is colored with color C, and if it is not, then again he will cover the range of